Hello!
Hello,
Hello!
this is Smith from your TV service. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. It's just a notification that your TV will be shut down because your TV receiver box have been old and expired software. So how many TVs do you have?
Oh no! I really need those TVs. It's the only pleasure I get in the autumn years of my life. I have 3 TVs like the Holy
Don't wo-
Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Hello.
Yes,
How many TVs do you have?
3.
Okay, and are you paying the bills for the TV by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, so we will start the modification process and it will contain only 3 to 4 minutes from your precious time. Okay, so I
Okay.
will transfer this line. Okay, so I will transfer this line to my technical department so they will further guide you for saving your TV, okay?
Okay. I look forward to speaking
And you have
with the
to,
transgender department. Hello? Hello? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.